Hello friends, today we are going to discuss issues in code generation. This is the topic of a compiler design. There are different issues which is to be generated while designing of a code generation. First of all, we will going to discuss that what is code generation. Code generation, it is a compiler design last phase. Here the code optimized code which is to be given by code optimization phase, and output of target code generation is assembly code. Okay, now there are different issues is to be discussed while designing of a code generation. First, input to the code generation. What will be the input is given to the code generation? There are postfix notations. Next one is three address code, directed acyclic graph. There are these three input which is to be given to the code generator. Now, what is three address code? Three address code, it is the form in which there are only three addresses or three values are available. So three address code is available in three forms: quadruple, triple, indirect triple, and direct triple. Now next, postfix notation. Postfix notation is to be used for input to and directed acyclic graph. Direct, this is nothing but the collection of nodes and arc. So here the which after which first node which node is to be followed, this can be discussed with the help of directions. Now target program, there are in three form target program is to be generated: absolute machine language, relocator machine language, and assembly language. Next, memory management. There are different memory management is to be used for while generation of code issues, designing of a code generation. Symbol table. The symbol table, it is a table which is used to handle the unknown variables, unknown constants which is to be occurred while generating the compiler. Instruction selection. Which instruction is to be selected or used? This is very important. Speed and efficient instruction is to be selected. Register allocation and register assignment. This is the another way. This issue is also considered for generation of a code. Now next one is evaluation of a code, and finally here we are going to generate a code in a assembly format. So there are different six issues which is to be considered while generation of a code. So first one is your input to the code generation, second one is your target program, memory management, instruction selection, register allocation, and last one is evaluation code. So this is for issues in code generation. Thank you.